I have made 70% return on my capitals.
Joining Malkan's View was the best decision of my life.
Very difference between old me and new me.
How are you? Where
Good
are you from?
afternoon. I'm from Delhi.
What would you like to share?
From the 6 habits, yes, definitely, it's an insight actually. But the challenge actually, when I think about it, when I see there are not many thoughts going on in mind, right? This is not happening. This is also not happening. This is not. But when you ask to write, then I have to. Then my mind is like, okay, so I have to club together all and I have to, write that thought. So that actually brings more clarity. And currently, what I have written for my struggle is that my stagnancy in my career group, that is
Okay.
my struggle.
Okay.
And how would I honor it is that it is giving me thought and it is giving me the time to explore trading business. And if I was doing good in that and if I was doing well in career, I may not have come here or I may not have tried trading or something like that. But since there is a fear that if I move up the ladder in my career, then I may not get my kids' attention and I have to sacrifice that.
Got it.
So that's why I'm choosing something wherein I can do well in money
Okay.
and also can devote time and my house responsibility.
Got it.
So
Very interesting. Something to really look forward to.
yeah.
And something to make your next 6 months really kind of worth going after this goal for. Are you excited about it?
Yes, actually, I was trying many things. I mean, it's not only that when I'm struggling, I have also tried to change my job. I have also tried other business. I've also tried this, but this actually, I'm able to connect to this. If this may be something that I'm feeling that I can cover all my areas. What actually I want.
Yes, exactly. And plus, the added thing is
Time.
now you have the framework. Frameworks are very powerful, Sakshi. Now you have the framework of how do you go from point A to point B, and then you also have something as a measuring stick. We started from yesterday, right? That's the measuring stick of this framework. So I hope this framework helps. I hope the measures help, and hoping to see you again with a lot of progress at the end of the year. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sakshi. Thank you.
Thank
Wish you
you,
all the
ma'am.
best.